I came as soon as I heard there was a reindeer down. Yes, there was a reindeer down, and it looked like things were not only delayed, but not going to make it. Oh no, that's not good. However, the reindeer pulled themselves together, and in the last minute, got the advent calendar here. Oh, that's so good to know. Yes, it is. So we have from Fortune Cookie Soap their 12-day advent calendar. They do day 14 through 25. So let's get going. Fatima is holding the first item, which is a scented tree freshener. And it says on the little card that they send that it's a merry blend of citrus, pine, fir, fruity berries, and holiday spices mixed with fresh apple, rich vanilla, and winter woods. And this is scented beautifully and is adorable, and it comes with a little hanger. So this one, thank you Fatima, is going to go up on the tree as soon as we're done with this video. Oh yes, that smells lovely. This is the Feelin' Festive Laundry Scent Booster. This is exciting. I haven't tried one of their scent boosters. I use the one you get at the grocery store, but this is hefty. It says that it is 12 ounces. It is. And the card says that it is a fruity mixture of fresh apple, pear, bergamot, plum, vanilla, and soft sandalwood. That will be fun to use with the laundry. Yes, it will. This is the Christmas Pickle, a clay facial cleanser. And I've taken a sniff and I like what I'm sniffing. That could be misunderstood. Yeah, it could. Very nicely scented. Let me see what the card has to say. This is a common combination of freshly steeped green tea, cucumber slices, and a hint of lemon, creating a relaxing, clean blend. Oh, that does sound nice. I just don't want it stuck on my fur. That's okay. I think I can put it to good use. This is a body frosting. It is twinkle lights and tinsel. And it smells divine. Yes, we took a little sniff and it does smell divine. And it came in the most adorable little bag. All of the items are packaged separately with a day on it. This one came in a reusable little bag. You could always put a sticker over that. How cute and festive. What does the card say? It says sparkling champagne. Top this blend twinkling with bright pomegranate and blackberry. Lush strawberry tinsel is wrapped around juicy peach and delicately arranged tangerine. I think they might need to send me more of that. In a large vat. Yes, in a large vat. For day 18, we have Let's Get Lit. This is a salt scrub bar, and I've taken a sniff, and it also smells divine. It says it has a sweet vanilla buttercream illuminating the cold, dark night, gazing out with anticipation, and crushed peppermint bark. Oh, that is almost tempting enough for me to want to take a bath. And we know you're not big on bathing. I'd rather roll in the sand, but that is definitely tempting. And for the 19th, we have Baked with Love whipped candle. And I've taken the top off of this so that I can show y'all the detailing that they put at the top of the candle, and you can also see it on the side but they put some good detailing into this candle. Delicious aroma of fresh baked cinnamon sugar cookies mingled with ripe figs, peach, and candied rum. Oh, wow. So we are halfway through this advent calendar that we are very thankful arrived. We are in love with all of the items. Yeah, it would be hard for me to pick a favorite out of this first half. I really do like all of them. What caught your attention? I'm inquiring camel. I'd like to know the details. Leave a comment down below. And if you like what you're seeing here, consider subscribing to our channel. We have lots of fun adventures, not only in the holiday season, but leading into next year. And now, moving right along with this video. For December 20th, they have a lip butter. Yes, and it says menthol on it, but the description and taking a sniff is much different. Now, granted, I wouldn't have minded a little menthol. However, what they put in here is amazing. What does the card say? The card says rich brown sugar, vanilla bean, dark spiced rum, and a sprinkling of powdered sugar. Oh, that does sound nice. Maybe I'll try some too. Okay. The 21st gives us an eggnog fortune cookie. Except it's a soap, so I know that I should not eat it. But I'm going to sniff it. Oh, smells divine. Grab your favorite sweater and a glass of Grandma's old-fashioned eggnog, a warm blend of fresh vanilla bean, ooey gooey caramel, topped with homemade whipped cream and a sprinkle of nutmeg and cinnamon. And don't forget to add Grandma's secret ingredient, a splash, or two, of hot buttered rum. This calendar is awesome. They did a great job this year. Simply fantastic. We have Better Together. It is shampoo and conditioner. I like it when calendars, or subscription boxes for that matter, give shampoo and conditioner somewhere together in the same box. In this case, they came on the same date. So that's extra special. So this is day 22, and it's a sparkling grapefruit scent with juniper berries, bright citron, an endearing blend topped with a touch of warm white musk, balsam, and cedar. And like I said, I really appreciate the fact that we got both shampoo and conditioner. For December 23rd, there is By the Fireside foot lotion. And it is a blend of eucalyptus, mint, tonka bean, sweet musk, and soothing sandalwood. Those scents are sometimes a little heavy for my allergies, yet it's a foot lotion, so I think it will work out quite nicely. Oh, I might want to try it on a hoof. Or on all four hoofs. Okay, you can try it on all four hoofs. December 24th. 'Twas the night before. Yes. And I have to say, this is large. It is the size of my palm, and it is plenty thick. Oh, wow, what is it? It's a bath bomb. Oh, wow, what scent is it? The card says that it is a holly jolly blend of toasted coconut with sweet vanilla and whipped cream. I think I will be putting that to good use. And December 25th comes in a nice little gold sack. Oh, that is nice. I like blingy things. Yes, you do. So, help me out here, Fatima. You take an end, and I'll take this and give it a little pull. And here we go. We got socks. Oh, that'll be fun with a foot lotion. Yes, put the foot lotion on and then put on a sock. A nice pair of socks. And they feel comfy cozy. We hope you enjoyed this advent calendar as much as we did. Yes, this calendar is working its way up from a good, nice calendar. This year's calendar has moved its way up. I would put this in my top 3 to 5 calendars that I've unboxed this year. So this 12-day calendar was $75, which comes out to be $6.25 per day. And I think that's a fair and good price considering the amount of product. And we really did enjoy all of the scents this year. Yes, I can't say that there's one that I would push off to the side and put in the Find a Future Home box. These will all get good use around here. Oh, yes, they will. So we thank you for watching and consider subscribing. It would be appreciated. If you haven't seen a video, there should be some popping up on the screen. Take a look. We have fun adventures. And we do hope to see you in another video. And happy holidays! Happy holidays! Oh, where are some of those products? I want the lotion for my hoofs. Okay, we'll get you some hoof lotion.